recognition area.
Fuck. Inactivity warning. Yes. I was AFK. I apologize. I was trying to do some other stuff that was equally as important. Okay, so let's just make some modifications here. We're going to edit our thing here. We're going to say anything can happen Thursday. Marveling. And then the category is Marvel Rivals. And save. And this is going to save. Sending data unable to connect, it says, to Twitch. Why? Why? Why is it unable to connect? Hang on, we gotta check Restream. Oh, Restream, what are you doing now? Fucking crick. Started streaming draft. Okay. Unable to connect. Why? Channels. It says it's connected. Live stream requirements. Am I live on Twitch? Twitch. Says I'm live. I mean, it looks like I'm live. Anything can happen. Marvel Rivals. Yeah, okay. I look like I'm live. I'm not live. I am live. I'm very confused. Okay, so I am live. Okay, so I had to switch back to Restream because apparently the multi-stream plugin that OBS has was not it. It was definitely not the right thing to be using. So instead of doing that, I now have to make this do things. Apologies for this being quite the oh, there we go. Okay, so that's there. Now if I test that, okay, that's sent to Twitch, and then I see it on Twitch. Cool. Okay. I'm just going to delete this message to that person because clearly they were not paying attention. Holy crap. Okay, I legitimately don't understand. What are my settings currently set to? Video, okay, 60 frames a second. My output is set up for Twitch. And it's going to restream, and restream is... Restream is what? Maybe I should use something other than Restream. Maybe that's the problem. Storage. Oh, this is going to be something I have to worry about another day. I think... Can't really do this while I'm live. I mean, I could, but I would want assistance to do it live. So I think we're going to skip that for now. And hopefully things are just working the way they should be now. And at the very least, the only thing that's screwed up is my camera quality is a little bit on the poor side, which still isn't great, but I mean, I can't really do much about that. At least that plugin is not... no, I do not want to restart it right now. Okay. All right, so we're gonna try this again. We're gonna go back into a quick match. So many apologies to everybody that's come in and was hoping for a awesome stream. We had some major technical issues.
Pick your hero or villain. I'm not judging.
And
we are Cloak and Dagger. We are hope
in doing
and fear.
the things we wanted to do. So instead of using Restream, I swapped over to using a multi-stream plugin. What is going on? Hang on. I'm not going to be watching through my thing. I'm going to be watching through chat. For the love of God, game. Is it the game that's causing this problem? Okay.
There's always a spark
All right.
of light in darkness.
It's
30 seconds before you attack.
like my game
Get
is
ready.
like actually choppy.
Just like the first
I have
time.
never experienced this before. Is this something to do with what's going on here? Display.
I swear if this outfit
Borderless
gets
window.
ruined, there will be hell to pay.
No, I don't think so.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3.
It's
two,
still
one.
super choppy. What's going
All you
on?
need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
That spider could have bitten anyone, but it bit me. Pretty amazing luck.
Does my PC need to be restarted? If so, what the frick?
If you wish to survive, you must prepare.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. My time to shine.
Pep in my step. Score one for
My time to shine.
All right.
Mission is yours.
I mean, we're doing it.
All right, Ty. Now we really have to attack.
We're doing it.
This is the place to watch.
It's still freaking laggy. What the hell?
Keep your eyes on this spot.
What is going on? Wait, is it actually laggy, or is it just the fact that my computer's not processing two different things at the same time? I think it's my computer. I need somebody in chat to tell me what
Powering up.
to tell me that it's okay.
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Let's pop back up under their noses.
My time to I'll get you next time. Here comes trouble.
Alright, let's heal these guys up a little bit. How did I not...
Almost yours. You owe me one.
Oh, we got our ult available, so when they push the next time, they're gonna be pushing right away. Full team push is happening in less than a minute. Or they lose. Yeah, they lose. I think what's happening is my game is lagging out my connection to all my video and whatnot on my other screen.
People are always afraid of Ty, but they just don't know him.
But I don't think there's an actual...
This is my unnatural selection.
I don't think there's an... Is there actually lag on my stream?
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
I don't know. I can't tell. Because every time I look over, it's fine.
Sono, ever wondered if you're doing the right thing? You know, going out every night.
I don't
when your
know.
loved one's in danger.
Every time I switch
time I
off,
put on
though,
the
then
mask,
it just
Penny.
freezes.
We have a
And
responsibility.
I have a feeling it has something to do with this
Stand up to
game.
all the bullies out there.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I gotta...
All you need to do is capture the mission area.
I'm gonna have to,
Got it?
like, do something about this game or something.
Money.
I
You
don't
were
know.
expecting Peter Parker? Please.
All right, Ty. Now we really have to attack.
This reinforcement. Energy levels rising.
Tandy needs help.
Make yourself easy.
Why would you push so far in?
Finish the job for you.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. The mission area is yours.
This is us against the world.
My time to shine.
Hip to my step.
All right, Ty. Now we really have to attack. Just embrace the light.
Alright, we got this. We got this. We got this. We're helping. I just got slammed.
Lights out.
My time to shine.
Powering up.
We just got slammed.
Here comes control lost.
Dang it. That sucks.
Double KO. That's 3.
Dagger's back.
Natural selection.
Alright, we're at 36% right now.
Emperor's protection.
All right, Ty. Now we really have to attack.
Natural selection.
Spider mode. Systems restored. Get away. Control seized.
Alright, we seized control. Fantastic.
I knew we could do it.
Is that mine? That's not mine.
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
All right, Ty. Now we really have to attack.
Alright, we're healing Venom up here.
Back in action.
You owe me one. Just embrace the light.
Come on, baby.
Glad to help.
Venom, stop running out there like that. God damn it, Venom. I can't heal you guys if you guys push way the frick over there.
You owe me one. My turn to shine.
Okay, let's go. We got that. I genuinely think it is the game that is causing this weird lagginess. It must be higher demand on my game on my console or something. So I might have to reduce something. Because every time I swap off my main screen, it's fine. Everything, the video renders fine. Everything seems to render fine. The problem is I don't have anybody here to tell me whether it's going okay or not. And I was so focused on there being a problem that I was just like, okay, well, there's a problem. Alright. Let's take a look at the settings for this freaking game. Okay, so display settings. Yeah. Borderless window. Sure. Yeah, it's NVIDIA. Super resolution mode. Quality. Let's go with balanced. Frame generation is off. Low latency mode is off. Adjust brightness. Limit caps. Lobby FPS. Background FPS. Show FPS. Maybe show network stats too. Graphic quality. Optimize. Here, let's just open this. Oh no, not that. That's silly. I just opened that up on my other computer. Here, let's do this. And we're gonna look up Marvel Rivals best graphics settings for performance. Okay. Okay, so we need drop down the resolution, no thanks. Set to low to enhance performance. So it says to switch it to low. Okay. And what else? Reflection quality. Screen space reflections, okay. Keep it low. Shadow detail to medium. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Post-processing set to low. Enable DLSS for NVIDIA. Where do I do that? DLSS. Okay. Is that it? Let's see. Yeah, it always says full screen mode, but it makes things difficult if that's the case. Same as modern display, anti-alias, and super resolution. Type DLSS. With super resolution set to performance. Alright, super resolution set to performance. Frame generation set to off. Low latency on for NVIDIA GPUs. Okay. Brightness is at 50. Limit FPS. Show FPS is on. What does it say about limit FPS? Limit FPS is set to off. Where is limit? Limit FPS. I don't see that. Show FPS, show never sets on, VSync off. And then down here, do custom. Optimize. Yeah, I'm trying to figure this all out right now on the fly because I wasn't expecting that this game was going to be so intensive that it causes me to not be able to see that things are not lagging properly. Like, I like to be able to see that my stream is operating correctly, and without people in chat, it's hard to tell whether that's the case or not. This might actually be a very short stream and mostly technical in terms of its usage. Low, medium, shadow, so everything else is low. Okay. So that should be what we want, right? All right, let's give it a shot, see what happens. I know my camera quality is still not the best, but we got to figure that out at some point. Oh my god, I can't believe I had so many issues.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Wait.
We are Cloak and Dagger. We are hope and fear.
Okay, so I got Cloak and Dagger. Alright. Hopefully we'll see that, things are a little bit better. Thanks, Spoonin. How you doing?
There's always a spark of light in darkness.
So, Poonin, now that you're here in chat, I'm kind of hoping that you can tell me whether there's any type of stream lag.
30 seconds before
Because
attack.
on my screen, it looked like there was for a while.
Look
And-
at us. We
Any
practically
second
match.
possible?
This is hot couture.
And
Up here.
I genuinely didn't know
Oh,
whether that was the case or not.
Kind of came with my
Can we go up
powers.
here?
And I'm practically seething.
So
Yo.
I'm hoping there's not any more, but
Come on,
it is what it
come on.
is.
4, 3, 2,
Alright, or that.
1.
Get ready. Here come the bad
Okay,
guys.
they're all over there.
Among Asgardians.
Okay.
Just embrace the light.
Take a look.
Team play.
My time to shine. Hold still.
This is ridiculous.
My time to shine. Just embrace
I can't keep people healed. I might actually have to change characters. Where's Luna?
Double kill!
See the
Here,
adversary.
we're...
The enemy has arrived.
That one hurts. Thanks so much. Grow up.
We're just getting smoked. That's what's happening.
We got some left here.
Okay, Putin, sounds
Come
good.
on, come on, come on.
Back in the fight.
And all transport. We will get the job done.
Be your best self.
Should've done that from the rip.
What the frick?
Hardhead. We just like to lose.
I don't know.
Without
Well,
time.
back to this. I'm not doing any better with this.
Here they come.
How is this guy healing so well?
I will not let the collector put me on display. Disappear!
Who do they have for healers on their team? My god, what the hell? I can't do anything. Oh, shoot. Do we have any other healers? Who's the other healer? I don't know. That's weird. I can't tell if there's another healer or not. We might just be our only... We're the only healer, and that's the issue.
That put a spring in my step?
Our foes
Are we the only healer? I don't know.
quiet here.
I can't tell.
Naturally so.
I haven't played this...
My time to shine.
Us against the world!
Come on, die, you.
Maximum pulse!
Only 60 seconds left.
Got what you need.
Can you piss off?
My time to shine. Thanks.
Look who's here.
Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or a dagger.
Wow.
Stranger transport.
Almost there.
Well, the reason why I wanted you to help me test this out, Conan, is I had swapped my config. Where is this guy? Jesus. So I had swapped my setup to use the multi-stream plugin for OBS, and everything looks super laggy. And I didn't realize that it was potentially the game that was actually causing it. So I stopped stream and started stream a couple of times, and I just I was having troubles. So now my setup is back to the way it was, but you know it still doesn't fix anything. I still have the issue with the camera quality. So I'm tempted to actually reach out to another streamer that uses a similar setup to me, or reach out to OBS and be like, hey, look, this is what I'm kind of doing. Because at the moment, I genuinely don't know how I can potentially fix this problem. So, I don't know. It's getting a little bit difficult to try and figure this out because I just can't seem to get my camera to be
Pick
nice
your
and
hero.
crisp.
Or
The only
villain.
thing I
I'm
can
not judging.
the only thing I can think about is
are Cloak
maybe
and
it's the
Dagger.
fact that I've got my
We are
camera
hope
shrunk
and
down so
fear.
much that it's causing distortion in the image itself. Because my camera, like the area that it covers is quite large. So I'm almost wondering if using the camera's zoom instead of like adjusting it in OBS would be better. Even though they say don't use the camera zoom. I don't know. So what I might do is I might adjust it to that
Light
for
doesn't
when I
dispel
return
darkness.
from
It helps me
from
see
my
things
outing,
Before you attack,
face it.
get
from
ready.
the performance that I'm going to in about half an hour.
Hint of divinity on you, mortal.
That be Khonshu, god of the moon, and of vengeance.
I remember him well. We were nearly lovers once.
Well, that tells me everything I need
The
to
battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2,
So
1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
I don't know. I hope.
It took us a long time to learn that our powers are related.
Oh. I hope that everything's working well now, or at least reasonably well.
Tandy needs help.
Back in the hunt. Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
My time to shine. Need assistance. I'm very hard.
Capture the mission area!
What the hell is this push? All because our tank died? That was my fault, by the way. Tank dying was my fault.
That put a spring in my step? Lights out.
My time to shine. Look behind you.
I wish it wasn't Groot. They're all focusing the tank. I can't do it.
Lights out. That's a gadget.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Good
Your
God.
team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
Time to shine.
I was trying to escape that, and I got shin.
Powering up.
I need the tank to. Oh, okay. The tank did switch. Good.
Hold still. I'm trying to help.
No more Groot. Thank God.
Energy grows stronger. All right, Ty. Now we really have to attack.
Judge! Jury!
Oh my gosh. What the hell? You haven't noticed any lagging at all so far? That's good. Alright, so basically what I think it was the game was processing too high. It was causing my computer to lag when I'm looking at the video on my stream, which means that it was all in my head, essentially.
Light doesn't dispel darkness. It helps me
So-
see the darkness and face it.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to review the VOD from earlier. Actually, can you do me a favor and review the VOD that I ended, the longest one? To see if there's
30
any
seconds before you
lag
attack.
in that.
Get ready.
It will take more than light.
If you can do that, that'd be super helpful.
You're underestimating my light. That's okay. Happens all
Hang
the
on,
time.
I'm also going to join Discord. That way I
Do
can
not let Doom do any more damage to the web of life and destiny.
be there in case you have questions.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need
where are
to
we
do
going?
is
This
capture
way.
the mission area. Got it?
Alright, I'm in Discord in case you need some help, or you have to answer or you need questions answered. But I'm hoping you can look at the VOD and tell me whether there's any lag in that at all,
You know what to do,
or if it's all in my head.
Here goes trouble. Now we really have to attack. I'm hit up. So cold. Oh, I need
Oh, what's that?
assistance. Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Hang on a second. I gotta
You
turn
don't
up your
have to fight
volume.
alone. Spider mode. We captured the mission area.
Alright, what was that?
I am ready to put on a show. Around.
Really? Well, that's not good.
Extermination!
I'll get you next time.
Let's get go!
Okay.
Hope I make the cut!
Actually,
Dagger's back.
I am Asgard's might!
you know what? I'm gonna leave this game.
Their team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
Sorry, I left the game so that you can hear, or I can hear you. Really? Huh. That's not good. Okay, so YouTube has it. Does it look okay on YouTube? What the frick? I don't get it. I really don't. I think it's Twitch, man. I think Twitch is the problem. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Like, it was really weird. And, I mean, all I'm trying to do is, I think what I need to do is I need to talk to another streamer that has a similar setup to me and be like, hey, I need help with my settings because, like, my camera quality is all messed up. Well, actually, here, let's... The camera, you mean? Yeah. But the problem is, like, if I run it, if I try and create a clip with that camera, it then distorts it because it zooms in on the clip for, like a phone style clip. Yeah, so I'm almost wondering if here let's just try something. Let's just try something. All right, so we're going to open up this. Okay, so it was basically my imagination the whole damn time. Cool. I like that. Not exactly, no. Okay, so here's the zoom that I'm going to do. 65 FOV. All right, we're gonna do that because it's nice and bigger and zoomed in. And then I'm gonna fix the way it's cut. Like that. Like this. And then I have to, yeah, I definitely need to adjust it here too. Smaller? Yes, smaller. Oh no, not necessarily. I need to just do that. Sorry, I'm just tinkering with things live. Not the best way to do it, but it is what it is, I guess. And then the just chatting screen for the other one. And then reduce the size on that. Okay. Alright, we got that and that and that. We got the gaming one. Okay. So now all I have to do is do something stupidly animated so that the clipping program will detect this as a really awesome clip. Alright, yeah, so basically what it comes down to is we just tried Marvel Rivals and I thought there was an issue. Turns out the issue was my game was running too high performance for the PC so that I could monitor the stream as well. So we're going to see if we can't fix that for future streams where we do Marvel Rivals. Aside from that, I'm kind of hoping that the Twitch VOD actually saves this time. I need to have a gander, though, at Twitch. I just gotta take a look to make sure that Twitch VODs are actually being saved still. But they should be. Oh, so maybe... okay, got it. Yeah, it's possible. Slash videos. Yeah, I'm not seeing it either. So something must have happened that caused that to happen. And I'm almost wondering if it's because of that new setup that I had tried to do. Because what I had done was like the OBS plugin for multi-streaming, and I was kind of hoping that that was going to fix the problem with the camera resolution, but it didn't. It just screwed things up otherwise. Like, it felt like it was causing more issues than anything else. So yeah, wasn't the best. I gotta double check though to see if my VODs are set to save though. Store past broadcasts. Always publish VODs. Ah. Okay, so that was turned off. Yeah, it is weird. That is very strange. Stream rewind. Allow Turbo and channel subscribers to rewind your stream while you're live. Changes may take effect starting on your stream. I guess that would be helpful for some people. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm going to leave that be. And then how do I check to see if there's any unpublished VODs? How to check unpublished VODs. What does that say? It says use lighting, utilizing. No. On-demand content on Twitch. Let's see. Video. Download videos. How to manage your video and storage. Yeah, this is a very different stream than I'm used to. This is more of a let's figure shit out kind of thing. Download videos, delete videos, all videos, stored where? Where are they? 3 dots. Where? I need to go to where the videos are stored, yeah? No. View all recent broadcasts. Manage videos. Here we go. It's under content. Got it. Oh! What the frack? Publish video, publish video, publish video, publish video. All right, cool. Now let's go back to the stream manager. Okay. I don't know if this is going to help. Help or hinder, I don't know. We'll see. All right, I got time for one more. I just published the unpublished VODs on Twitch. So if you can, just have a look at those quickly. I'm going to play one more quick match. Oh, I'm restricted from matchmaking for 3 minutes. If you do a refresh, it should show. Really? Maybe. No, they're showing for me. Okay. Just which one? Which one was the longest one? 14 minutes. Yeah, do the first one. See what it looks like. I could probably just pull it up too, if I really wanted to. Actually, I might as well. Here. Let's just do that. Heal energy. Okay. Okay, that heals. And then we've got.
Lights out.
My time to 30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Was that a shield?
Controlling minds seems like a skill that allows for unlimited discretion. And yet, somehow...
I think right click is a shield of some sort.
Now we really have to attack.
The audio in this is actually really loud.
Every mission is secret. I take what I want.
The battle starts in 5.
Alright, I turned down the volume.
Seems
a little bit to me so far.
1. All you need to do is capture the mission. There they are.
There we go. Hey Glizzy, how's it going? What's going on? Where's the secret dock? I don't have a secret dock. Oh shoot! I forgot to change. 1350. I say that. Change the title. Okay, give me 2 seconds. 1350. Dude, where? No. That's all right. Well, we beat that round, so that's good. Nice job, Glizzy, on 3 consecutive ones, man. Appreciate it. How you doing, bud? What's going on? Wait, why is my camera freezing?
A spark of light in darkness.
Glizzy, can you tell me if my camera's like choppy or anything is choppy in the stream? Because I made some changes today, and I'm not sure if it's working correctly. Yeah, it seems fine. Just let me know if there's anything I need to modify.
Get ready.
Let's
Admit it,
copy
Cat.
this.
Saving countless lives is.
So basically the issue was the game was running too high quality and it was causing performance issues for my video. Like for me to view my own stuff. Yeah, I think that's what was going on. Oh well. Yeah, but the issue is that I don't watch any particular VOD. What I do is I'm connected on the server that streams, so that I can see all the chats, because it shows Twitch and YouTube, and yeah, so it makes things a little bit easier for me. But yeah, if there was no issue, it means it was the game that was causing the performance issue. And I was losing my mind, so that's always fun. Yeah, it truly was. So what I'm going to probably do is I'm going to reset up that plugin to run again this afternoon when I return from my event. And it shouldn't be too long. I think it's probably going to be about an hour, so I'll be back probably in about an hour and a half. And yeah, I'm going to reset everything up to go through that, and hopefully that'll sort everything out. Fingers crossed anyways. But yeah, I'm hoping that'll sort things out. You know what? Maybe I'll just leave it the way it is now and see if that increased zoom on the camera lens will fix the issue with the graininess or the blurriness from clips. So yeah, exactly. Yeah. So I'm just gonna try and fictitiously make up a story right now so that it can get clipped off of this particular VOD, and yeah, we'll end the stream right now. But yeah, give me about an hour. I'll be back. Later, man. All right, so we are just. We're getting ready to go and pick up, or not pick up, we're going to go watch a performance at my son's school. I need to get going. However, our first match in Marvel Rivals was super awesome. We did really well. We got a lot of healing done, a lot of damage done. But the game was so chaotic, I couldn't figure out what was going on exactly. And it was really, really difficult to sort that all out. And then I had issues with the computer, and it was just really high performance, and it was causing a bunch of issues. And I think I basically asked for that myself. I configured the game ages ago before I actually had a dedicated stream PC, and I was just very high in quality on pretty much everything. So. I think I've got that sorted now. We're going to try it again. Hopefully the new camera settings will actually take effect and be good. But yeah, I'm gonna call it for now. Have a good afternoon, folks. I will be back in exactly 1 hour.